Recording. Okay, guys, welcome to the channel. Let's repair an Xbox controller. So I removed the battery pack or the cover, and I even removed the screw that's right under there. And now we have to remove these hinges. So, yeah, the microphone and my face, and oh my god, the camera jumped left and right. Did I shook? Damn thing. Okay, popping now, which is scary. Okay, so we use the other tool to slide it. Pop, slide, pop, slide, pop, slide. Come on, come on, you get back in there. You get back in there, because the moment we leave, we need to go do this. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Come on, come on. Keep popping, keep popping, keep popping. Jesus. Okay. Let's move on to this corner now. Okay. Nothing much. Nothing more. Okay, let's wiggle a little bit. Do the wiggle test. Okay, here we go. I hope I did not break any clips whatsoever. All of them look intact. Okay, let me shake. Yep, nothing is broken. Good. So there's another screw right here in the corner, which we need to take out. I need to open the other side as well. So similar process. Pop. Find the weakest point and keep popping. Okay. Can we keep on popping with this, or do I still need to use the plastic one? I should be cleaning this. There's a lot of my hand gooch, as they keep calling it. Or I need to call the gooch collector to remove. Jeez, you see? It just popped my tool so far. God damn. Okay, again, do the same process. Right? Pop that in. Use this one. Normally, come on, please. He's stuck there, right? A little bit right. Yep, right there. Now we go from this corner. Try to pop this side. Right? Okay, we've got that corner. A little bit more. Come on, baby. Be nice and gentle with me. Don't flip back in. Okay. Okay. Jesus. Come on. Don't break or snap on me. Uh-huh. Oppa! Jeez, I hope I did not break this one. Popped all the way to the sky. Okay, all of the hinges look safe. I kind of maybe cracked here a little bit, but all the hinges looks good. Okay, so that survived. It survived. Okay, now up next, the T6, I think. No, it's not the T6. T6 is too small, or maybe. Which one was it? Was it this one? So this is not my original set. You guys know my original set. This is a co-worker's set from work. So, yeah. I did express my feelings about this set. That it's so hard to remove the headset. come on. Come on. Come out. Okay. Breaking my nails or scratching them. Okay. I got the right one, and this one was the E something. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. We got one. And we're gonna get the second one right here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Leave the screws there. My leg. My leg. Getting old is not fun, man. Try to enjoy your life as much as possible. Oh, there's a bunch more at the bottom here. 2 more in each corner. Okay. So total 4 screws under the cover. 1 right behind the tape. What you call? I should have warmed up the tape and peeled it nice and clean. Instead, this screwdriver is just hurting my wrist. God damn. Okay, now remove the front cover. Just like that. Nice and easy. No issues. All clean. Here, okay. So, what else are we dealing with here? Let's look at it carefully. Okay. How brutal am I with these analogs? Kind of melting. Okay. Okay. Get back here. Okay. 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 I see you. I see you. The battery is like just a tap here that's touching the board. Okay. So those are the antennas. We do not care of this part of the board because this part of the board is okay for us. We just care about this part. But to get to that part, we need to remove more items. Oh, these part of the antennas are soldered. Here, they're connected. Okay. Okay. Oh, these are like some. This. I just lift them up. Just push them this way. I can just put it that way and fine. Okay. Our hardest. So USB-C has a casing cover on it. There's no way we could see the back if the pins are broken or not. And try to check with this if it pretty pins are in. Unable to put any force on and all that, so I need a full donor board in this case to swap this. I think the best way to swap it is heat and thermal paste. No, sorry, soldering paste. So just put the soldering paste all around it, warm it up enough so the solder can melt and this can just slide out. God damn it. I have looked up another, donor board online, but seeing this one in this type of style, the other one might be different. Different, I mean, in sense of new style or old style that will not fit the exact same board. You see up here, you can't see the pins. The pin side is covered. It has a shield on it right here. So we don't know if all the pins are perfectly connected or not. I tried to like a bend the wedges, but it's connected so good. Doing so might make it look more ugly and damaged. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Another failed repair for today because we cannot just pop it out and repair the damn thing. Let me see if I can. Plastic? Plastic is moving. So it could be the plastic that's messed up, and now it's internal. So we definitely need a donor. God damn it. Ay, ay, ay. You have an Xbox One? Oh, yeah. Yeah. TYSM. Thank you. So, okay. What's a TYSM, buddy? Monaqua. Okay. Can you play Roblox? Yeah, I could, but I'm not a Roblox player, so I don't know. You have an Xbox One. This type of controller does work for Xbox One, but yeah, I have 92 subscribers, but I can't leave stream. Okay, hi. I might soon. Okay. Um, Never played Roblox, so I think I should look into it. I saw your stream and you playing it. Not your stream, but are you streaming right now? Let me check. I might donate my birthday money. Oh, thank you. No, I appreciate the gesture, but I'm happy that you are here and you're watching the content and subscribing and liking the videos. So thank you. Thank you for coming. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, you're playing Roblox on the phone. I never checked if I can play Roblox online. It is my birthday. Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday, Maestro Bro. Oh, I hope you have a great birthday. Like, is there cake involved or something? Or are you just doing a regular birthday? Or is your parents throwing your birthday? Or you're having your birthday with your friends? What's the plan with the birthday? Now I'm interested. Ay, ay, ay. Add elements. Why is the elements are not showing? Oh, I think it's on the other one, not on this one. Okay. So, again, happy birthday, bro. I want... It won't let me go live. Oh, okay. Interesting. I think you have to use like a system, right? Like either OBS or Streamlabs. Yeah. But if you are just going live through YouTube, I don't think that's possible. Unless your browser provides any type of screen sharing or yeah, because you're doing it on the phone. Yeah, you're doing it on your phone. So, Jesus Christ, I'm putting the back on the top. I am distracted. I need to focus. God damn it, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay, so this is an opportunity for me to clean up the edges and stuff. With a little bit less gooch. Holy shit, this part had a lot of gooch. Ay, ay, ay. So, What am I saying? So I think you can go live as long as you can mirror your screen at the same time. There is a method to it. Hope it works out, because if you look into that, how to live stream to YouTube from your phone while you screen mirroring. So if you can give that to Copilot, I'm confident enough that Copilot will definitely give you a solution. I've went live. Oh, good for you. Okay, I can check and open live. 1 second. Let me just clean up a little bit of gooch. It's stuck here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need to call the gooch collector. Okay. So, where are you, buddy? You went live, like you said. Huh. Still not showing you as live. Okay. Nope. I'll copy this piece. Am I allowed to copy? Yep, I'm allowed to copy. Close here. Open. Oh, that's the one. Okay. Microsoft Edge. YouTube. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So let me just finish up with the stream or the recording. So we were not able to finish repairing this. We will to be continue on once we get a donor board so we can swap the USB-C. Okay. So this is done for the recording.